Okay, I'm in Medina in Malta. This is where it's like an ancient walled city. Apparently, Malta is well known for its kind of fortified cities because you had the Turks trying to invade, either trying to invade or people were scared they were going to try and invade throughout its history. So it has loads of this kind of stuff. It also seems to have 3 museums. So there's a museum for Benedictine nuns. There's a natural history museum here. We haven't even seen the main church yet. So I'm gonna find that, but everything's beautiful, well preserved. My son loves it. We're gonna have a vote on which museum to go to because there's 3 and we've only got limited time. Anyway, I highly recommend coming on holiday to Malta.